Hello, guys. It's Mrs.Z. Today is lesson 9, grade 5, mission 3, word problem. Okay. So, two girls, Hannah and also her friend. So, Hannah and her friend are training to run 2-mile race. On Monday, Hannah ran half a mile. On Tuesday, she ran 1/5 mile further than she ran on Monday. This is important. Uh, Further than she ran on Monday. How far did Hannah run on Tuesday? If her friend ran 3/4 mile on Tuesday, how many miles did the girls run in all on Tuesday? So we're gonna use read, draw, and write strategy. So I'm thinking of using a tape diagram. So imagine we just have this to be her run on Monday. Okay, so we're just Monday. It's a half a mile. And then on Tuesday, story says that she ran 1/5 mile further than the first. So if she ran the same, it would be half a mile. So if it's the same, it would be half mile if it's the same. But the story says 1/5 further. So that means 1/5 she did plus 1/5. So 1/5 further. So how we can find the Tuesday is 1/2 plus 1/5. On Monday she did half, but on Tuesday she did 1/2 plus 1/5. To make pieces the same, we're going to multiply by 2 by 5 and 5 by 2 to make equivalent pieces. So we can say, okay, 1/2 is same as 5/10, and 1/5 is same as 2/10. So on Tuesday she did 7/10. 7/10. So how far did Hannah run on Tuesday? So she ran 7/10 of a mile on Tuesday. So how far did Hannah run on Tuesday? Now we're gonna answer A. Hannah ran 7/10 7/10 mile on Tuesday. Now, if her friend ran 3/4 mile on Tuesday, how many miles did the girl run in all? So Hannah plus her friend. So Hannah did 7/10, and her friend did 3/4, and that will equal the total miles, ml, on Tuesday. Okay, so now we have tenths and fourths. Okay, if we skip count by 10 and we skip count by 4, we will have the least common denominator. I don't like if you just go and do the 10 times 4 and 4 times 10. We could do that, but the denominator, it will be larger than and it's harder to do work if you have a large. So let's see which one is the least. So if we say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, that would be, if you skip down by 4, and if you skip by 10, you have 10 and you have 20. So instead of 40, we can easily use 20 as the least common denominator. So 10 times 2 is 20, and 4 times 5 is 20. So the girl's 7/10 was a 14/20. 7 times 2 is 14, 10 times 2 is 20, and 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 5 is 20. So her friend did 15/20, and she did 14/20, which is 29/20. So we get our fraction, improper fraction answer. 20 pieces makes a whole, and girl ran together 29/20. So what that tells, that inside of 29/20 there is 1 mile, 1 whole mile that they ran. So if we decompose 29/20, we can say, okay, 20 pieces makes a whole. If I take 20, I will have a whole plus 9 20th will be left over. So the girls ran 1 whole mile and 9/20 of the next mile. Okay. So we have to answer in a word. If her friend ran 3-4 miles on Tuesday, how many miles did the girl run in all on Tuesday? So B, answer. The girls run 29/20 mile, or 1 mile and 9/20 of the next mile on Tuesday. On Tuesday. The girls ran 29/20 mile, or 1 mile and 9/20 of the next mile. Word problem. And let's see if I can make it smaller. Okay, that was the whole lesson 9. Tape diagram and calculation, and that's it. Okay, this was Mrs. Z. I hope you like it. See you next time.